video demonstrates the parameters function. The following explains how you can import parameter sets from the device, edit them, and export them back to it. It also shows how you can interpret the individual parameters using parameter texts. Open the Parameters menu for the respective device. The parameter list is imported from the device. The red frames in the New Value column indicate the parameters that you cannot adjust yourself. Enter your customer-specific access code in the device to enable parameter editing. For a better interpretation of the parameters, parameter text files can be imported using the Import Parameter Texts button. These XBMD files are available from ME Mobile Electronic. Filter parameters using the keyword search in the text field. You can change parameter values by entering the new parameter value in the New Value column. Whenever you adjust a parameter, you must update the build date and the version number, as shown here in the example with version v2.01.10 from October 18, 2025. After completing the parameter adjustment, save the new parameter list on the device by using the Store New Value in Device button. The device's parameter list has been overwritten. The parameter list can be exported and saved locally on the computer using the Export Parameter Values and Texts button.